Hi guys. Yeah, today we have another question. The question says if a squared plus b squared is equal to 169 and ab is equal to 60, we have to find a squared minus b squared. We have additional information there. It says a is greater than b. All right. So let's get into it. A squared minus b squared actually tells us one thing: difference of two squares, right? And we can write difference of two squares as a plus b, a minus b. All right. Now, having said that, our job now is to find what is a plus b and what is a minus b. Okay. So, but recall that a plus b all squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and then a minus b all squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, I haven't said that. This gives us a hint towards what to do next. So now we can say that ab must be the square root of a squared plus b squared plus 2ab, and a minus b must also be the square root of a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. So all we need to do is input the parameters for a plus b. A plus b is equal to the square root of 169 plus 2 into 60. So ab, let's put in brackets, is equal to the square root of 169 plus 120, which gives us the square root of 289. And the square root of 289 is equal to 17. So a plus b now is equal to 17. All right. And a minus b now, let's go to a minus b. Let's just do that here. A minus b will be equal to the square root of a squared plus b squared minus 2ab, which will be 169 minus 2 into 60, which will give us 169 minus 120, which is the square root of 49. So a minus b now is equal to 7. Now to answer our question says we should find a squared minus b squared, which we already said is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So let us impute the answers there now. So we can have a squared minus b squared, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b is 17. We have that up here, 17 multiplied by 7, which is equal to 119. And that settles it. Thank you very much for coming to this class. I'll see you in coming videos. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.